Hey everyone! Welcome back to Miss English Channel. I'm Emily, and today we're diving into something you use every single day, transportation.
That's right. Whether you go to school, work, or travel somewhere new, transportation words are everywhere. And knowing how to talk about them in English makes life much easier.
Let's start simple. Think about your morning, the sound of buses outside, scooters rushing by, and the smell of fresh coffee from a street corner cafe. How do you usually go to work or school?
Do you say, I go to work by bus, or I take the bus to work? Both are fine. Just remember, use by for general transportation, like by train, by car, by plane. But if you use a specific word like the bus, use take.
Exactly. So you can say, I go to work by bus, or I take the bus to work. Easy, right?
Let's make it more fun. Emily, how do you usually come to the studio?
When it rains, I usually take a taxi, but when the weather's nice, I ride my bike. It feels fresh and peaceful in the morning.
That's a good one. Ride is used for bikes, motorcycles, or horses. Anything you sit on and control.
Right. So here's a mini practice for you listening right now. Repeat after me. I ride my bike to school.
Nice. And here's another one. I take the train to the city.
Now let's step into a real situation. You're at a bus stop and a tourist asks you for help. Let's practice that conversation.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does. You can also take number 23. It's faster.
Thank you. How much is the fare?
It's about $2. You can pay the driver when you get on.
Simple, right? You just used useful travel words, fare, driver, and get on.
Yes, let's explain quickly. Fare means the money you pay for transportation. Get on means to enter a bus, train, or plane. Get off means to leave it.
So if you're at the station, you say, I got on the train at Central Station and got off at Green Park.
Let's practice together. Say it aloud. I got on at Central Station and got off at Green Park.
Perfect. Speaking English isn't about being perfect. It's about communicating clearly.
Exactly. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Every time you try, you build confidence.
Now, let's add a little story. Last week, my friend Jesse missed his flight because of traffic. He left home late, got stuck on the highway, and arrived at the airport just 5 minutes too late.
Oh no, that must have been stressful. What did he do?
He learned something important. Always leave early and check your transportation schedule.
That's a great life and language tip. In English, you can say, I missed the bus when you arrive too late, or I caught the bus when you arrive on time.
Try this one. I missed the last train last night.
Or I caught the 7 a.m. flight to London.
Let's make a quick challenge. Emily, I'll give you a sentence with a missing word. You fill in the blank. Ready?
Okay, let's go.
I usually blank my car to work.
Drive. I usually drive my car to work.
Perfect. Next one. I usually blank the subway during rush hour.
Take. I usually take the subway during rush hour.
Excellent. You're getting the rhythm of English travel talk.
Now, let's explore some short and useful expressions you can use while traveling.
Like, is this seat taken? Or, how long does it take to get there?
Yes, and my favorite one, could you drop me off here, please? That's something you can say to a taxi driver.
Let's repeat it together, everyone. Listening. Could you drop me off here, please?
Very polite and natural. Remember, good manners make your English sound more confident.
Totally. Now imagine you're late for work and stuck in traffic. The cars aren't moving. You sigh and say, I'm stuck in traffic again.
That's such a common situation. You can also say, there's a traffic jam. It means the same thing.
Let's do a small pronunciation practice. Repeat after me slowly. Traffic jam.
Great. And one more. Rush hour. That's the busy time when everyone goes to work or home.
Exactly. The subway is crowded during rush hour.
So let's review a few key words before we move on.
Take the bus, ride a bike, drive a car, catch a train, miss a flight.
Get on, get off, traffic jam, rush hour.
You're doing great. Keep repeating these words whenever you travel. It helps you remember faster.
Yes, because learning English is like taking a long trip. You don't need to rush, just keep moving forward one step at a time.
Beautifully said, Emily.
All right, let's keep going. In the next part, we'll talk about how to ask for directions and how to sound natural when traveling in English.
All right, let's continue. You're walking down a busy street in London. The air smells like rain, people rush past with umbrellas, and you're not sure where the nearest station is. How do you ask for help in English?
Simple and polite. You can say, "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station?" Or, "Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?"
Yes, and don't forget your tone. Being polite makes a big difference. Add a please or a smile. It always helps.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. "Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the train station, please?"
Perfect. You sound natural already. And when someone gives you directions, listen for keywords like turn left, go straight, or across the street.
Right. For example, go straight ahead for 2 blocks, then turn right. Or, the bus stop is across the street next to the coffee shop.
Let's have a short conversation to make it real.
"Excuse me, how can I get to the airport?"
You can take the number 45 bus. It stops right in front of the post office.
Thank you. Does it take long to get there?
About 40 minutes, but it depends on traffic.
That's a useful word. It depends. It means it can change based on the situation.
Exactly. So you can say, it depends on the weather, or it depends on traffic.
All right, let's switch gears for a moment. Emily, what's your favorite kind of transportation?
I love taking the train. The sound of the tracks, the quiet rhythm, and watching cities pass by, it's peaceful.
I agree. Traveling by train feels cinematic, like you're in a movie. You can look out the window and just think.
Yes, and in English, you can say, I enjoy traveling by train, or I prefer flying because it's faster.
Let's make it interactive. Everyone listening, think of your answer. How do you usually travel? Say it out loud. I usually go to school by...
Good job! Remember, speaking out loud helps your brain remember faster.
Now let's move to Charlotte's section, Vocabulary Spotlight.
Yes! Here are 7 key phrases you can use about transportation.
Number 1, commute. It means to travel regularly between home and work or school. Example, I commute to work by train every day. Synonym, travel.
Number 2, rush hour. The busiest time of day on the road. Example, I hate driving during rush hour. Synonym, peak time.
Number 3, carpool. Sharing a car with others to save time or fuel. Example, we carpool to work every morning. Synonym, share a ride.
Number 4, get stuck. When you can't move because of traffic. Example, I got stuck in traffic for an hour. Synonym, delayed.
Number 5, catch. to successfully get on a train, bus, or plane. Example, I caught the early flight. Synonym, bored.
Number 6, miss, to be too late for transportation. Example, I missed my bus. Synonym, be late for.
And number 7, transfer, to change from one vehicle to another. Example, I transferred from the subway to a bus. Synonym, switch.
Excellent. These are real-life phrases that make your English sound natural and confident.
Now let's do a small practice game. I'll say a sentence, and you choose the right word to fill in the blank. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. I usually to work by train every morning.
Commute. I usually commute to work by train every morning.
Good. Next one. I got in traffic for almost 2 hours yesterday.
Got stuck in traffic.
Perfect. One more. I usually buses downtown because there's no direct line.
Transfer. I usually transfer buses downtown.
Nice. See, learning can be simple and fun when you connect words with real experiences.
Exactly. You don't need to memorize every word. You just need to use them in your daily life, on your way to school, at the station, or when traveling.
That's right. And even if you forget sometimes, don't give up. English learning is a journey, not a race.
Yes, just like transportation. Every stop, every delay, every small move still gets you closer to your destination.
Beautifully said, Emily. So if you learned even one new phrase today, that's progress.
Repeat your favorite phrase from today's lesson in the comments below. Maybe, I'm stuck in traffic, or I ride my bike to school.
And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because your journey in English doesn't stop here.
We'll be right here with you. Every word, every sentence, every conversation, helping you move forward one ride at a time.
This is Paul.
And Emily.
From Miss English Channel. Keep learning, keep traveling, and keep speaking English every day. See you in the next episode.